Hey there, welcome to another render demo design tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to draw an ice cream cone in a few simple steps. So grab yourself a sheet of paper, pencil, and let's get started. So our ice cream cone is going to be vertical like this, and we're going to try to fill as much of the page as we can in this direction here. So to start off, I'm going to start with the middle of the cone, the part that kind of holds the ice cream in place. So I'm going to draw a couple curved shapes in this direction here, like this, a little bit of a rounded shape on the side. I'm gonna draw straight down, but with a little bit of a bend in it. And then I'm going to draw another shape like that right over here, round that, and come across, just like that. For the next step, we'll draw the base of the cone. So I'm going to come inside just a little bit from those edges, and then we're going to draw a curved shape that kind of come down like this. And then I'm going to have a rounded shape down here. I'm going to kind of curve in like that. And then let's start with the swirl up here. So we're going to go from this right side. We're going to do kind of like an S up in this direction. Come like this, like that. For the next step, we can fill in some ribbing of the cone. So this side, I'm going to curve a couple this way. I'm going to straighten out as I get towards the middle. And on this side, we're going to curve it in this direction and go kind of straight in the middle. We're going to create a second. I'm gonna actually drop this down a little bit because I went a little bit too high. So we're gonna kind of correct this like that. Use your eraser if you need. You can kind of erase right now, or you could do that later. But I'm gonna continue. We'll go up here. We'll draw another S curve. And from here, we're gonna clip this area here. So we're gonna come out again. And then we're gonna come in, and we're gonna hit this side here, curve across, and then we're gonna point like that. And then last, I'm gonna do the last one like this, I'm gonna hook over and then point like that. All right, so the next step, we'll add some shading, kind of like a highlight to our ice cream. So we're gonna do a shape like this. Kind of comes across, and they point in the corners and get thicker in the middle, and they point like that. And we'll do one here, another one here, and another one here. So kind of come like this, come across, they'll point, get a little bit wider here, almost like banana shapes, like that. And we'll do the last one up over here. That. All right, and then for the lower part of the cone, where you kind of grab the cone, we'll do 3 rows of indentations. So I'm going to do these L shapes. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3, and then we'll do another L, 1, 2, 3, and then we'll keep going, 1, 2, 3, and then last over here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then finally, let's add some sprinkles. So you can put these shapes wherever you want. You can do different shapes if you want to do some like star shapes or some flower shapes. I'm just going to go with just the regular pill shape sprinkles and just put a bunch all over. And they're all kind of the same size. Maybe there's some that are broken, but. And I'll just go along and draw in using a Sharpie pen. So there you go, there's our ice cream cone. If you really like this tutorial, check out our How to Draw Stuff sketchbook. Inside, we have 90 really cool and fun things to draw. Each one has a simple step-by-step process that allows you to follow along and draw what you see right inside the sketchbook.